Alright guys, we're back at it. Back down here into the car. I've been trying to get the rear main seal out, which is this one. And the way I got it out was basically I just screwed, made like a little hole right there, like on the edge, so I could put like a little screwdriver or whatever. Then I just used like a prying tool so I could like pry it out, cause it was not coming off. And I had bought the tool too to take it off, but that shit wasn't working. But you already know we got it done. I bought this tool. It's a oh shit. It's a performance tool. It's supposed to be like to take off like gaskets, but I just use it for that because I just hammered it like a little bit inside the rubber piece, but that wasn't working. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Probably just keep it for future videos or something. But yeah, the rear main seal's out. I'm trying to put the new one in. See if I brought it. Oh yeah, sure. The new rear main seal. You can see it's brand new. It has like a little spring behind it. Like you can see right there. But yeah, now I'm just gonna have to like clean all it up around the surfaces and get to hammering this hole in there. Alright guys, just finished putting in the rear main seal. You can see it's all flush. I didn't have like the round tool to measure, but I just did it with like this shit. I just went around, like hammered it first like this, and then little by little I just went around hammering it. But yeah, the rear main seal's in, and now we just gotta make time for the other things, like putting on the flywheel. If anything, I'll probably do that right now, show you guys putting on the flywheel. And yeah, just pretty much the flywheel for today. And well, yeah, because I have stuff to do today, so alright. Let's get this bread, gentlemen. 54 pounds. Let's go. Last one, boys. Let's get it, boy. Don't like what I'm seeing. If it doesn't snap. Yo, what is up, guys? We're taking off the head to my whip. We're here with the homie Travis. We're sipping on the Brewington. Nah, but right now all we did was take off the valve cover. Here's what it looks like right now. pretty clean if you ask me. Man. We gotta take out the manifold bolts. I'm gonna start taking out the camshaft bolts first. I'm gonna do. What?
Separate the exhaust manifold from it?
Yeah, we're gonna do that first right now. Well, those are the ones that I snapped. These are? These are all the bolts for the Valkyrie.
Can't see shit. Hopefully it looks good.
Alright, you see, this is you gotta keep your shit in a baggie, because if not, you'll probably lose your shit. Probably have like
organized too with the name.
Bro, you'll probably have like 1,000 bolts, and you'll have like 2 left over or some shit because you didn't put them in.
Well, that'd drive me crazy if I did some shit and there's 2 bolts I didn't know where they went.
Let's come over here and get the fucking. Let's get to it.
That's right there. True, that shit's low key.
Bitch was upstairs.
Get away and shit.
They never talk back to us.
They're watching us. They're in a Ziploc bag somewhere?
Yeah. Nah, they were like in a can because we didn't even organize like this the first time.
Bro, you just put all the bolts in the fucking same bag?
Yeah.
God damn.
Well, we put them in cans.
How did you even remember, like...
I don't even know, Nate, that's the thing.
You didn't remember? You had to like look it up and shit, or what?
Yeah.
Damn. That's why you label your bags. Got that bitch off. Finally, for real. God damn.
Yeah, we took it all off. My first time ever taking off the exhaust manifold fully.
Need a new gasket now.
Yeah, gonna need a new gasket for sure.
Get it?
A sipping tin.
We'll update you guys on the next mission, pretty much.
We took off the camshafts. Now we're gonna put the rockers in a baggie.
Yeah.
Cleaning them first. We're gonna copyright us and shit. But yeah, it's just the rockers, the lifters, and then it's just the head bolts, and that's it. We're just gonna take it off. We'll get back. Yeah, we're pretty close. We'll get back to you guys when the head's off, basically, or some shit.
1 year.
Shit lasted me a year, then it broke down. What are you laughing about, pussy?
You fucked up when you were thinking it.
Nah, I did actually. And I went to AutoZone way, and I like ordered the head bolts, but I went and after like 2 weeks, because they said it was gonna take like 2 weeks. It's a special order. We're gonna get copyrighted, bro.
It has to be like
nah, but yeah, we fucking like after 2 weeks it was a special order, and then I went. They were like, "Oh, it doesn't say that you ordered anything," you know, like. I was like, "What the fuck for real?" And I was like, "You want me to bring the receipt or what?" And I took it to him, and he's like, "Oh, you're right," you know, like. It's like, it looks like they weren't ordered or some shit. They were like.
Cat.
Yeah, and then I was like, for real? I was like, fuck, you think you could order them again? He's like, yeah. And then after like a week after that shit, some fool called me from AutoZone. It was when I was going to the training over there.
Yeah.
And then fucking, they called me when I was coming back from the training. They were like, hey, you want to come get your cash back? Because those bolts are in stock, and basically we can't order them or some shit like that.
So you had to use the old ones or some shit, or what? Or what you mean?
Nah, like I was gonna get them barely, like the new head bolts, but they said that, so.
Oh, like barely right now?
Yeah,
recently and shit?
like recently.
Damn.
So I can't put on the head. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go back to you guys right now. Yep, we got all the head bolts out.
Have to take this off. But
like fuck it, I don't care while I'm in it. I heard planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess it's how it sound when you win it. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 in a minute, so I'm in it. I bet she gon' get.
I need to turn out the music. Hold up, we're about to get copyrighted. Well, you can see it good when I get close like this for
Yeah,
sure.
because it started leaking back here, look, like over here and shit.
The head did?
Yeah.
It's because you think you didn't get the new head bolts? You think that's why?
Those ones are probably stretched.
Yeah. Oh, with the old? Got the new one and everything already. Just can't put it in yet. Need them bolts.
You guys see here, we are mechanics. Hit me up if you need a new head gasket. And we will
We'll hook it up. Best deals in town.
We'll get you with the hookup. But
That's
nah, bring me
crazy.
a cherry picker first though.
True. Fuck it.
Buy me a
Half
cherry
off
picker.
if you bring the cherry picker. But we gotta keep it.
Like the carbon and shit, like
From the,
you can see it on
the
the edges
emissions
and
and shit. Well, like, yeah, from when it,
it's crazy, it still looks new as fuck.
from the gas, when it blows up, basically. Crazy on those.
Had a carbon deposit.
Yeah. From the gas burning and shit.
The harness, I need to disconnect this. I'm gonna disconnect it from over here actually. The fuck?
She does not want to come out. Sometimes you need like a screwdriver with them shits. It's one of those ones you need to push, huh?
Can't tell. This one's a bolt for sure.
What is that?
Look, this is the shit that I replaced when you got stuck. That's what was leaking and shit when your dad went to a soup.
Bro, that's why it was burning and shit.
All this shit was all falling until the exhaust.
Honestly, you got lucky it didn't catch on fire, because oil can actually catch on fire when it hits the engine, obviously.
That shit just fucking hella smoke, bro.
Yeah, bro, that shit was crazy. Well, when we pulled up, it was still smoking, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pulled up with the dolly and shit. Luckily, Alfredo wasn't working at that time. He came in first. We'll get back to you when some other shit happens. Pretty much, man.
We're gonna turn the crank, see the pistons and shit.
Move it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you want them?
Until the middle ones are at the top. Alright, number one, right there, right there, right there. I wanna see the
Inside.
cylinders. You can see the crossing, yep. That's good. I'd say that's a good block. Look right here, fool, look.